guys, welcome to my fall front porch decorating video. Today I'm going to show you all the front porch decorating ideas. This is a very classic yet farmhouse, lush front porch. We don't have a very large front porch, so I made the best out of what we had. On my Instagram, I shared 4 pictures with you guys and I allowed you guys to pick your favorite, and that was the front porch I was going to recreate. This picture right here, you guys loved it, so I tried my best to recreate it with what I have. The whole purpose was, if you see something you love, you can make it happen. You just have to modify it a bit. So I'm going to show you how this front porch turned out. I love it. It is so full. It is so lush. Let me know what you think. Before we get into the clean and decorate, I want to share one of my dearest friends here on YouTube. Sweet Amy Fritz has a channel of homemaking and decor. She shares content just like mine, and I just adore her. She inspires me not only on YouTube, but in real life, and I would love for you guys to head over to her channel and say hello. If you are here from Amy's channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before we go any further. I am sharing some of the items I got for today's clean and decorate, and don't forget about the very wonderful and detailed porch tour at the end, where I will share the details on where I got everything and the prices. So here is what everything looks like, all cleaned off, and we are ready to give it a little bit of cleaning love and just get it prepped for fall. So I am going to start off by taking the old mat off of the porch, and if you guys remember, I stenciled this front porch. I will have that video in my description box, and we'll talk about it a little bit more later on in the video, but it has held up really well. And I have recently pressure washed, so I am just going to be sweeping off any of the cobwebs and dirt around the windows. It is just that time here in Florida. It's pretty much summer, probably 8 months out of the year. So I am just sweeping all of the pollen and everything off of the front porch to get it ready to get it all nice and decorated. So I am going to use my Windex for the outside of the window. If you guys remember, I did these peel and stick decals. I will see if I can link that video. You guys loved that video. You know I have a ton of DIY and fun ways to make your house a home on this channel. So again, if you're new, this is the first time you've been here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I post weekly motivational videos. So I'm bringing these ferns back. I've had these forever. I got them from Walmart, but more details at the end. You will see me bringing the flowers in and just playing around with the placement. I love all of these mums. I don't feel like I luck out on mums usually in the past, but this year I did very well and I was so thrilled. Here are some pumpkins that I've had for quite a few years, and I am just going to place them here. Again, I like to show you this process so you can see how it all works. I have an idea in my mind, and this go around, you guys saw the picture that y'all chose on my Instagram, and I wanted to recreate it. The purpose was so you could see something and know that you can recreate whatever you want. You don't have to have the same style or the same house. You can make your house a home, and you can make it look beautiful just by modifying a few things. I am going to continue to add some elements here and play around with the placement until it gets that right feeling. I have mentioned in my other past fall clean and decorates that it comes with a feeling, and if I don't have the feeling, I will change it around until that feeling is there. I want to remind you guys that I will have all of the fall clean and decorate videos In my description box, it will be an entire fall playlist of all things fall from seasons past as well. So if you're ready to go ahead and see that home tour, it will be there. I have 2 or 3 home tours actually in that playlist, and you can binge watch all of my fall videos. I am going to add the spiced pumpkin sachet or satchel, I think it's a sachet, and put it in the little container here and just start filling this area in, adding some of those favorite fall colors I have been loving this year. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team. Oh, there's a light and there's a fire coming out of me. So real quick, while I'm putting everything together on this front porch, I want to talk about Amy for just a second. She is a mama of 3 and she lives in Georgia, and we actually connected on YouTube, but we are real life friends. I just know that she will be in my life forever. I have been very just choosy on my friends these days, and she is someone that I have to have in my life. I enjoy her. She is so encouraging. She is such a wonderful person to me, and I would just love it if you guys just head over there when you're done watching these videos and just say hello to her. Let her know I sent you. She's amazing, and she brings so much value not only in my life but on YouTube. So she is definitely someone you guys have to check out, and you're gonna love her. You're just going to love her. Hey you guys, I want to remind you, if you are enjoying today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Like this video, it just shows me that this is something you want to see, and I will keep bringing these videos to you. So starting off, I'm going to do the little tour now that everything is all done. I showed you the prices of the moms. These were around $4. Saw that this one was around $11, and it comes in a really pretty kind of oil rubbed bronze pot, if you can see it. The other ones I kept in their pots. I went to Dollar Tree and I could not find any pots there, and the line was circled around, so I was like, no, we're just gonna leave it, and I just turned it around so it's not ugly. These pumpkins I have had, so I just reused. You saw the ones that I purchased. This was $4 at Michael's. It is a craft pumpkin. And then I got these picks here from Hobby Lobby in the fall section. I believe after the 40% discount they were $1 something, and I just stuck it in here because I have been loving the beautiful Merlot and burgundy colors this fall, so I wanted to give it a little bit of something because the moms don't really represent the color that I was wanting. So I added this in here, and this tin here is from Kirkland. It was $19.99 plus 25% off of my entire purchase. And I got these pumpkins. I had these pumpkins. This was a part of the collection I got when I did my mantle from Hobby Lobby. This is Hobby Lobby. I had these, and you guys know that Hobby Lobby is all 40% off right now. If you wait a little bit longer, it will get to 50. You saw these. These are very old. I've had these for probably 4 years, and I got them from Michael's. I took the stem off so they could stack like this, and then I took this pumpkin from Michael's and stuck it right there, and I love the way it looks. If you buy these already put together, they're very expensive, so you can just do it yourself. If you want to hot glue it, you can, but I'm always changing the color, so I leave it like this, and you can constantly switch it around. It can be anything you want. You can do a little itty bitty baby one. The sky's the limit. You make it look how you love it. So then over here, this is the fern I planted in my spring front porch video, and I added another little pick here, some of the berries from Hobby Lobby, a beautiful burgundy sunflower, and then some of the picks that are also from Hobby Lobby and that I got with the bundle when I did my mantle. And just kind of sprucing up what I already had and transforming this spring summer fern into fall. The Thankful mat is from Kirkland's as well, and it was, I believe, when after the discount was $12. So I thought it was really cute. I already have this stencil, and all the videos that I am talking about that I already like showed how I did this, I will have in my description box with, it'll be easy for you to see. But I stenciled this porch, and it's been holding up just with chalk paint. It's not perfect. I didn't want it to be perfect, and I love it. It looks very aged. And then in this fern over here, I did the same thing. The fern is from Walmart. Did it a couple of months ago, and I just added some fall touches to make it look so beautiful and to kind of transition it from spring to fall. Over here, the same ferns. These little ferns were only $1, and I had this from IKEA. I used this is a real old vintage scale. I needed some height in this area, and I thought this would be perfect. And I added it with a really pretty speckled pumpkin from Michael's right there, and I love this. Over here, another really pretty grayish blue pumpkin with a craft pumpkin. This one was $10, and I got that from Michael's as well as that one. And then my Dollar Moms. Again, I tried to get some pots, but I didn't want to spend more than $1, so when the Dollar Tree didn't have any, I just decided to hide it with the pumpkins, and it is no big deal. Then over here is my wreath. I've had this for probably 3 years, and I got it from Home Goods, and I can change it up as needed. If you want to change the colors, just buy the picks and add it. You can make a wreath that you already have and kind of transition it with your decor just by changing some of the colors up. But I think it's so pretty. I get compliments on this wreath every single year. So real quick, a little trick. I got this candle from Kirkland's, and it is really hot in Florida. So I don't burn a lot of candles in my house, so I kind of hide it, and when the heat comes, it makes this whole area smell so good. I've also got a little sachet in there. Again, it just makes my front porch smell so good. I love it. People are like, what is that amazing fragrance? And it is that. You can get those little sachets or open up a candle or even a warmer, not plugged in, but just like a little cube, and kind of hide them places, obviously where it doesn't get all over your porch, and it makes the area smell so good. This is the sign we've had for so long, and I'm just keeping it here. I was going to change it out, but then I had forgotten Chris used cement screws, so I'm just going to leave that right there. But I love the way everything turned out. I feel like it is so lush and beautiful. I will probably switch it up a little bit. We will be showing the house in about 2 weeks, from my understanding, and this might be a little bit much for people to come and look at the house. So I'm going to be transforming the back patio as well. So in my home tour, which will be up next week, it might be up Thursday or it'll be up Monday. So make sure you're subscribed if you don't want to miss that. Those are always a hit, but I'm going to have some of this in the back patio as well, just to kind of like bring fall back there and let the whole fall season flow throughout the house. I absolutely love how everything turned out. As I mentioned, I will be moving things around more, bringing some of these items onto the back porch. So when I show the home tour, you'll see how everything came together. I have already deconstructed some of the floral arrangements and tablescapes, so I cannot wait to show you that fall home tour. And again, make sure you're subscribed and your notification bell is on so you are notified. I'm really going to try to get that up this Thursday. But I just love how everything came out. It's super lush, it's super fall, and I think I did a pretty good job of representing that Pinterest picture. So if you see something that you like, don't get discouraged. You can make it happen, friend. I appreciate all of you guys so much. Head over and tell Amy that I said hello, and you're gonna love her. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video, friends. Love y'all. Bye.